Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has dismissed concerns about the impact of ongoing violence in Manipur on other northeastern states, particularly Assam, stating that we are emotionally one, culturally one, but boundary-wise different. Speaking at the International Tourism Mart in Kaziranga on November 27, he highlighted the importance of viewing the states as separate entities with unique identities. Drawing an analogy, he compared the situation to events in other parts of India, asking rhetorically whether an event in Rajasthan is a setback for Haryana. He asserted that linking incidents in Manipur to places like Kaziranga or Manas in Assam is unfair and only creates unnecessary frustration. He emphasized that while the states are emotionally and culturally connected, they are geographically distinct. Sharma's remarks comes amid rising concerns over the implications of Manipur's unrest on the broader region, especially Assam, which shares a geographical and socio-cultural proximity. It may be mentioned that the escalating tensions in Manipur have drawn widespread attention, though Assam Chief Minister's comments highlighted the effort to prevent regional instability from being misinterpreted as affecting the entire northeastern belt.